coming for my throne. They might as well cry me now, cry me now. They might as well buy.
What is up, SYL Army? Salute. So today we're gonna do a mukbang. Morning mukbang. Morning mukbang. Morning mukbang. Morning mukbang. Morning mukbang. Morning upbang. I said upbang.
Always gotta be the one.
Sorry.
Mess it up.
Shush. At least I started it.
How's the weather down there? That's what I thought.
Very cold.
Before we get into this
It's a cold world.
video,
So let's bundle up.
no. It's a cold world, so bundle up. Duh. Anyway, before we get into this video, we tried to make a thumbnail that this wasn't coming out right, and it still didn't come out right.
But oh well.
So watch these pictures and laugh, because it was just funny that we are not photogenic, and it's sad, but oh. So this is our first mukbang, and we're gonna do like a morning edition. So she here.
I feel eating Cheerios and it got stuck in my throat.
I'm gonna eat oatmeal. Some oatmeal.
Oh my god, I almost died.
Which is sad because Cheerios is safe to eat for babies, so the fact that you can't eat it, it's very sad. Very, very, very sad. Making the oatmeal, then put it in a bowl.
I have like
Then get your hot water and put it in a bowl. I just drowned my oatmeal.
I'm bored. What you want to talk about? Let's.
I just drowned my oatmeal. I don't see what's so funny. Ooh.
Why would you try to put oatmeal back instead of a cup?
I was trying to put the juice back in. And it totally worked. Ooh, I was on.
Stop lying. No, it didn't work.
It did. It worked mostly. See. I like that door. Just look how drippy that is. I'm still eating.
By the way, I mean mixed cereal, and I don't have milk.
She better put some water in it.
I'm okay. Well, I don't like milk.
There you go.
Chris, I wish you would.
Water right in there.
Leave my cereal alone.
It's good with the water.
It's good for you, not for me.
Saw this post that was very accurate. Vampire Diaries better than Tinkle, right?
No. Teen Wolf is better than Vampire Diaries.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you disappointed me.
No, it's
You're
not.
disappointing me.
No, it's not, baby. No, it's not, baby cakes. No, it's not. It's nice.
Teen Wolf is better than Vampire Diaries.
Bro.
It's better. I don't care what you say. It's better than
First of
Vampire
all,
Diaries all the way.
Vampire Diaries got vampires, and werewolves. Teen Wolf made up a bunch of non-existent creatures.
And they still made it work.
They came out they made fireflies into dark people, whatever. They had night horses. It was just retarded. Like, it was just retarded. Like, what was the point of Teen Wolf? Tell me, what was the point? What was the...
Wait a minute.
You know the point. Teen Wolf, you don't know the point. Like, it's just dumb. It's just dumb. It's just a repeat. It's just dumb. Vampires, on the other hand, is smart, intelligent. They created.
This is the point we need to shut up.
Jeff Davis, the creator of Teen Wolf, by the way, is retarded.
Teen Wolf made it better. They always had emotional connection.
Nah. Vampire Diaries is a big tearjerker. You have the triangle, right? That's Elena. You have Damon. You have Stefan. You know, you had Team. At the end of every episode of Vampire Diaries, it left you at the edge. Teen Wolf was. It was just like, oh, okay. That was it. Vampire Diaries. It was like, you ready for the next one? Like, next one gotta play.
Miracle.
Right now.
Teen Wolf had you jumping out your seat.
No, it did not. No, it didn't. No, it didn't.
So you telling me when Allison died, you didn't fall off the floor and start crying?
What? No. Anywho.
Now you lying. You lying. From the get. You lying, bro.
Alright. Teen Wolf. Allison, she was cool. You know, I liked Allison. I did shed a little tear when she passed. But that's a prime example of how Teen Wolf is corny. You feel me?
Teen Wolf is not.
Especially when Allison left.
Teen Wolf is not.
It was no point in watching anymore. Cause now you just lost me. Now it was just like retarded, more retarded. Like, cause all the good people left after Allison left, like Isaac, Ethan, and Aiden.
We don't care about Carol. Now that's the person I don't like on that TV show.
No, Vampire Diaries. Everybody stayed together. And even when Elena died, bro, even when she died, it did fall off a little bit, but it ain't fall off as much as Teen Wolf did, though. Vampire Diaries, when Elena died, it still...
Yeah, I'll technically see...
She still was appearing into the show. And... technical difficulties. He's like, no. But... And... She came back at the last episode. No, let's talk about series finale. Let's talk about series finale. Vampire Diaries has the best series finale of all time. Now, I ain't watched the original yet, which is the spin-off of the Vampire Diaries. I ain't watched the whole series yet. But Teen Wolf, that wasn't no series finale. That was a finale.
Now I understand about the last season. Season threw me off.
And on Teen Wolf, they took off Styles. They completely destroyed Scott and Styles. That was the whole Teen Wolf situation. That's like taking Corey and Sean off of Boy Meets World. Like it doesn't work.
I understand that part. And they threw me off when they forgot about Styles and everything. Those 2 seasons threw me off. But it was they still
blank.
They still have emotional connection.
To who? Who was they related to?
Styles and his father. But
which his father forgot about Styles.
Well, his mom king, I did not like it. Like, I kind of actually got thrown off of his mom king because they didn't make no sense.
Name one part of the Vampire Diaries that you ain't like. Go ahead.
Never said I didn't like.
But how is Teen Wolf better than Vampire Diaries? When you naming stuff, more stuff about Teen Wolf that you didn't like than Vampire Diaries. So obviously, Vampire Diaries is better than Teen Wolf.
No, Teen Wolf is better than Vampire Diaries.
Nah, Vampire Diaries. It speaks for itself. Do Teen Wolf got spin-offs? No. Vampire Diaries got 2.
It could.
Not 1, but 2. 2 spin-offs Already.
But they could have a spin-off.
That's how good Vampire Diaries is. And if you ever watch it, go watch it on Netflix. The whole series. And the original.
After you said Legacy will be in there on April 15th.
And Legacy's about to be in there, too. All I'm saying is...
Oh, I have one. What about...
Vampire Diaries, but...
No. Not that. What about...
But I'm ending it right there. Tell us what you think in the comments.
But
You with VD or TW?
if you ever watch... Where can you see Team Wolf at?
Amazon Prime.
That's only at?
That's only legit. You can watch it on Showbox if you got it. But that's it. Or you can go buy it from one of them stores. That's
Fry.
FYE.
Yeah, Fry.
She said,
Fry.
she said fly.
But I think TW is better. TW. Can you say something about Pretty Little Liars versus Vampire Diaries?
Vampire Diaries. But
I can't say Pretty Little Liars.
Pretty Little Liars is a good show. Don't get me wrong. But Pretty Little Liars.
I got you. The 70s show.
Still Vampire Diaries. That's no comparison.
Or Boy Meets World.
The 70s show or Boy Meets World.
I haven't saw the 70s show. But this is a question for her.
Boy Meets World. Only because I legit cried at the series finale. That's how you know if it's a good show. If the series finale makes you cry, then it was a good show. If you don't cry, it wasn't a good show. Like iCarly. It was a good show.
iCarly or Drake and Josh?
iCarly. Drake and Josh didn't even end. It got canceled. Now, Drake and Josh was definitely a good show. That's the most iconic shows ever of all time.
I just had to ask those questions.
But Pretty Little Liars versus... What was it?
Vampire Diaries.
Oh. Yeah, that's a no-brainer. Vampire Diaries. First of all, the Pretty Little Liars situation. First of all. They made Spencer have a twin, which was so beyond retarded. I can't even... Like, that was just dumb. That was like that. I feel like that was really dumb of them.
Shit, it was good.
And then the spin-off, I watched the first episode, which was good, but it's just... I guess we're going to find out what happened with Allison and Emily, but it was just like, what was the point? It was really, what was the point? Because, you know, we're the twins. How's she just going to leave the twins? You know, just, I feel like they was in the circle, but they just jumped out of it. They just randomly jumped out the circle.
Does Spencer have a baby, or it's just like a twin sister?
No, Spencer had, at the end, it turns out the one that was tormenting him the whole time, pulling all the strings, aside from CC Drake, it was, all this time, it was Spencer's twin sister. I think they should have made it somebody relatable, somebody like a jaw dropper, like a twin sister. That was something they should have put in like at the end of season 4 or something. Like that wasn't something that should have been like the series finale. All this time she had a twin. All this time it should have been somebody that was up under her nose, but we didn't know. Like I don't know. No, I wasn't gonna say Mona, but Mona would have been too obvious. Well, obvious. Like it should have been like somebody heartbreaking, like Caleb or one of the girls like Aria or Hannah.
No, Aria.
Yeah, Aria. Or like one of the.
She already messed up the first time, so.
Or like one of the moms, like Mrs. De Laurentiis, something. It should have been
Who's that? Anna Twin?
No, that was Allison. Or it should have been Allison. Somebody that was more relatable.
But they didn't know that she had a twin, did she?
No.
I haven't know. I'm asking this question because I haven't actually saw.
No, they didn't know she was a twin. That was supposed to be the jaw dropper that spent all this time Spencer had a twin. Which is so retarded. So retarded. That just made me mad in a way. Like, now I'm mad.
All 3 shows that we had that I actually seen, and now I've just heard about it, had twins. Or somebody that looked like them.
No, Vampire Diaries is different.
I know.
It wasn't no twins. Like, it was doppelgangers. Styles ain't had no damn twin.
Yes, he have. He had somebody that looked like him.
That wasn't a twin.
And no, it's not twins, but there was. I'm saying as in they had somebody that looked like them.
Styles. That was boy Styles. How about this? Every show had an evil lookalike. Because on Vampire Diaries, they all had a lookalike. Except for Damon. It was just Stefan and Elena. They just kept repeating.
I'm gonna say, wait a minute.
Which made it even more, because even though they was the same person, they totally was
And
so
they said-
different.
What's her name? What was the twin? I mean, the evil lookalike of Elena?
Catherine? Elena had multiple evil lookalikes. She had Catherine. She had dang, what was her name? I just had her name in my head. It started with an S. She had Amora. I remember Amora. That was her name. But it was somebody else. Somebody that that dated the boy Cyrus or Silas, whatever his name is. I gotta look it up.
You said it was an S. We're gonna name it Sakura or Shakira or Samantha.
And then, Stefan, he had like 3 also. No, Stefan had a doppelganger while he was still alive.
We're gonna name her Sugar Snack.
Stop coming up with these names. No, Stefan had Cyrus, whatever his name was. And he had one that was living while he was alive. He was a firefighter.
Oh man.
But yeah, that's another mukbang.
You can barely eat. Got the whole thing.
Cause I drank my oatmeal.
You're making a mess.
I mean, eat it. I just gotta warm it up. Cause it's a little cold.
Well, I said a lot of stereo in here. I said a lot.
Until next time.
Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and give it a thumbs up. And follow us on your social media. And just Instagram. S4L4 Sister for Life.
We have a Twitter. We just don't be on Twitter. And I forgot the username for Twitter. I think it's just Sisters for Life.
Or something.
Yeah. But we are Sisters for Life. Have a nice life. Same. I did came up with an intro, but I mean an outro, but I forgot it.
And roll out.
No. Until we come up with an official outro. Our outro is until next time. We out.